Basically, there's like 7 different components, I will call them, or like things we need to work on or still finish to have basically a 2.0 network running. So one of them is the validator component, another one is the mempool component, another one is the staking contract component, then the nano clients is also something we need to work on, then the consensus component, the network layer, and then the blockchain component itself.
The building blocks are the blockchain, first of all, as a shared data structure between the peers, the consensus, governing it all.
There's also the mempool, taking care of the transactions, and in the end there will be other things as well, like the nano client, the zero knowledge proof in there, and so everything, all of these components later on come together and build Nimiq 2.0.